Making a fast and easy meal always comes in handy. We have 4 sausages and pasta, and we're going to make a very easy meal that can be prepared for any time of day, and of course with just 2 ingredients. We now have the sliced sausages and just about to add the spaghetti so that now our recipe can start taking shape. We're going to use that pot which is on the cooker, this one. So I felt it's important we slice the pasta into 2 so that it can fit in the pan the way I want to cook. And then here you can see we're going to add the pasta into the sausage. I don't know whether to make to say we are going to form some sort of a skewer, so to speak. So we are going to do for all of them, then we go to the next step. Comment below with how you spice up your pasta or your sausage recipes. This is what we intended to achieve. As you can see, it came out so well, but I must say using a sausage is not easy. It is a bit soggy, I don't know, slippery. So I would advise smoky or the choma sausage would be better. So we are now going to boil our mixture or so-called skewers. As you can see, we allowed them to boil for a few minutes. Once boiled, we were ready for the next step. As you can see, this is what we achieved in the first step. And on to the next one, we are going to pan fry them. And of course, to do that, we are going to start with onions for this case. Usually, I prefer starting with the cooking oil, but I think in this instance, I was just ready to go to the next step and I started the other way. And then, of course, we were going with the extra virgin oil, which I tend to like a lot. Yeah, then after they cook, we add our other ingredients. You can season it the way you want. There is no restriction to the seasoning. This is just cuisine way. You're free to go all out with your way. But whatever we added here are just tomatoes and capsicum. And then we also added barbecue sauce. If you're still watching and you have not subscribed, kindly consider joining the family. And if you're a returning subscriber viewer, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. The next thing we're going to add is ketchup. And at that point, I felt like I was putting quite a variety of the sauces. But when I got to the end point, I must say I didn't regret. And of course, we added garlic. If you have been following us, you know that is one of our favorite ingredients. Then we also added black pepper. Then allow your seasoning to cook for a few minutes. But like I said, it's not a must that you add the seasoning. You can just add salt. At this point, you will see there's some starch which is coming from the soup that came from the boiling point of our ingredients. And I must say, whenever that you're cooking such kind of meal, it's good to retain this soup, quote unquote. Of course, we have to use Kikkoman soy sauce even as we talk about the soup. That starch is important because it helps even thicken the soup. And also, as we all know, starch gives the body energy. So here is our final product. I must say, this is one of the most delicious meals I have had in a while, especially being a random recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and share.